The state of Georgia working to provide additional resources for veterans and military servicemen. Governor Kemp signed 3 bills this week to benefit veterans and active military members. Megan Western went to Warner Robins to talk with a veteran and an organization about how this new funding can help.
I was in the Army for 3 years. I was in Fort Jackson, South Carolina. I was in Fort Hood, Texas, and in Vietnam.
Johnny Ballou says he's enjoyed veteran life and the services have been available.
The VA pay and Social Security are really helping me out.
But along the way, he found himself like 38,000 other veterans, unhoused.
I was staying out there and sleeping in my truck, going to churches and getting food.
The Genesis Joy House deals firsthand with unhoused veterans, and under House Bill 414, $750,000 is provided in funding for more mental health services for veterans and military families. Founder Margaret Flowers says it could help prevent homelessness for some and help with problems they see daily.
We do deal with the PTSD, and we have professional licensed counselors that assist our participants.
Flowers says nonprofits rely on volunteers for most work, and through the grant, they could hire caseworkers and psychologists for a larger impact.
We definitely need that professional piece because our volunteers don't have that professional piece. And of course, people will do more and give more if you pay them.
Flowers says some turn away from help based on the stigma of the phrase mental health, but having more professionals in behavioral health could help rehabilitation for the unhoused veterans.
And once they get in the face of a professional, and then they can kind of steer away from that word and help them with their cognitive behavioral issues, then that starts getting them the professional help that they need.
In Warner Robins, Megan Western, 13 WMAZ News.
Genesis Joy House also offers classes through their Community Resource Center for job readiness and computer training for veterans. They say the funding could help them provide additional services through the center.